As the golden sun peeks through the hex window, Buzzy yawns and stretches in his cozy honeycomb bed. Buzzy stretches left and right, twirls on his rug, and does a silly morning dance. Bzzz. The honey alarm goes off, and a golden vial tips over with a drip. So, through a beam of light flies Brushy the super toothbrush with a sparkling cape. Buzzy gasps and points. A flying toothbrush? His eyes twinkle with wonder.
Brush, brush, brush those bugs away. Keep those smiles bright today.
With a final pop, the bugs turn to sparkles, and Buzzy and Brushy dance in rainbow bubbles. At the flower table, Buzzy eats honey pancakes with smiling fruits and fluttery parents. Buzzy reaches too far, and honey spills everywhere. No worries. With a smile, Buzzy wipes the table clean with his smiley sponge. Red hat, honey glasses, flower shoes. Buzzy just can't decide what to wear. Backpack on, wings ready, Buzzy steps into the glowing flower village with a big buzz smile. Buzzy and his friends zoom through the skies, leaving glittery trails behind. The bees land like heroes beneath the giant blossom gate with pollen balloons above. Miss Flutter opens her scroll and waves her wings as the students buzz into class. The pollen board glows with ABC petals. Buzzy raises his hand with buzzing excitement. A sad friend sits alone, but Buzzy shares his honey snack with a smile full of sunshine. Time to clean. The bees zoom with tiny vacuums spinning and giggling together. Under a glowing petal sky, Buzzy snuggles into a flower bed as glowbugs twinkle above.